And we're now getting some breaking news. Shocking statement made by NCP leader Jitendra Avhad. Avhad says that Sanatan Dharma is ruining India. He goes on to say that there's no religion called Sanatan Dharma and that Sanatan Dharma defamed Sambhaji Maharaj. So that's the shocking claim that is coming to the fore from NCP leader Jitendra Avhad, who has claimed that Sanatan Dharma is ruining India and there is no religion called Sanatan Dharma and that Sanatan Dharma defamed Sambhaji Maharaj. Listen in.
देखो, सनातन धर्म के बारे में हमेशा बोलता आ रहा हूं और सनातन धर्म ने ही उन्होंने जो लिख के रखा है, उन्होंने जो इस देश में फैला है, उससे ही ये देश में वर्ण व्यवस्था बढ़ी, इससे ही इस देश में धर्मद्वेष बढ़ा, इससे ही नीच ऊंच की राजनीति जो खेल था वो शुरू हुआ। शिवाजी महाराज का राज्याभिषेक किसने इनकार किया? वो सनातनी ही थे। तो सनातनियों को विरोध करना यह हमारा खुद का स्वयं व्यक्तिगत धर्म बनता है।
And my colleague Mustafa is now joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, indeed a shocking statement coming to the fore from Jitendra Avhad, the NCP leader, who is claiming that Sanatan Dharma is ruining India and that there's no religion called Sanatan Dharma. In fact, he goes on to claim that it was Sanatan Dharma that defamed Sambhaji Maharaj.
Well, this is not the first time that Jitendra Avhad has made such comments against Sanatan Dharma. He is always tried to connect Sanatan Dharma with the caste and other issues in Hinduism. He has said in this statement that we are all Hindus, we are followers of Hindu Dharma, not of Sanatan Dharma. And he has tried basically here to show that how Sanatan Dharma has promoted casteism and how in history there was differentiation based on caste. So that's the point he has made, but the BJP has come out in criticism of this statement. BJP MLA Ram Kadam has criticized Jitendra Avhad, saying that he makes such statements to defame Hindus and create sensationalism, and there was no need for such comments to be made. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for those details and for that context on this shocking statement made by NCP leader Jitendra Avhad on Sanatan Dharma.